it's Lars here down at Stettler Dodge. Here I got a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Stock number is RT871. Here you kind of have that nice look of the Chrysler look in the front of it. HID, nice headlights on here with the fog lamps. And this one is nicely equipped with the power sliding doors and a power lift gate. So, you know, you can open up all the sliding doors if you needed to, and they all open up there for you for the convenient load people in. Here you got sensors on the bottom. I'm just going to pull this down a little bit so that you can see the backup camera that it has as well. And very similar to our Dodge Caravan, you just have on here, you have just a, doesn't give you a number to pull down, and then just this one here to release that, and then the second one, this I'm just showing you a different way that you can do this, and then it'll fold down that way. So it's kind of different. They don't have all the 4 steps like a Dodge Caravan does. A little easier. And then pull them up here. Then yeah, and it gives you the instructions in here on how to all do it. Plug in back here if you look like if you had a cooler of some sort, and then tethering. And here's a button on for closing the lift gate, and there's going to be one in the front as well. Then this one's going to have the entertainment system, so it has the DVD players on either side, and this fold right up, and there's games and a bunch of other activities, USB, HDMI hookup, and also if you had an older headphone, you can do it that way too. Nice thing about this one, it's got a button inside of here, so you don't ever have to open up the front door anymore to use the stow and go. Just to show you, it brings this forward, and then that way it puts the seat there, and then now you can just open this up and fold it right in, whereas before you would have to do it the other way. And then you can press the button in the back again, and it'll bring the driver's seat back here, as you can see what's going on. Proximity key, so this has the keyless entry, so it just senses the key is close by, and you can just grab the door handle. On the mirror, it's got the blind spot monitoring, and also it's got heated mirrors. And here we have the power door locks and windows. This is equipped with the automatic headlights and fog lights, and you also have your steering wheel to lift it up and down, and then your power seats as well on both sides. Well, let's hop on the inside and go through the technology of in here. Alright, so here we are on the inside. They still left a nice big storage, or kind of like for you to have a cup holders and store some things inside of here, and then a little more storage underneath for more cup holders for the people in the back. You can also put it in a way just to lock it there, so you can have a couple more coffees if you needed to. And then they left a nice deep pocket in below here. If you had like a purse or a wallet or iPads, you can have things plugged in at the same time. It's kind of nice out of the way. Here they have a bit more storage, another deep pocket inside of here. Blu-ray or DVDs and CDs and stuff like that all go inside of here. And then they left a nice spot here for people's phones, and then you can have it charge, or anything else you plugged in here will connect up to the Uconnect system. This is your emergency brake, so that you had a bit more comfort to place your foot here if you need it for long drives. Dual climate control. This is now connected with the Uconnect system. You're going to have the 8-speed transmission inside of here, along with the all the rest of the technology and features for start and stop technology, your sensors, your traction control, your navigation, and all inside of here. It's very simple and very easy to use. Here we have your automatic dimmer with the mics on top, and here's a spot to put your shades into, and then the controls for the liftgate and the power sliding doors. And then because it's got the panoramic sunroof in here, you can close and open the vents and the slider there for you if you need it. And then a spot here for your garage door opener and some noise cancellation inside of here. And then on the side they have the climate control for the rear passengers, and you also have control if you would like to have that up at the front here. This is equipped with 17,000 clicks, and so relatively nice and low. And then you got your audio controls, like I said before, on behind the steering wheel still. But yeah, these are very nice, very comfortable to drive, and lots of nice features with the leather and the heated seats and the heated steering wheel and remote start, all that. So if there's anything else for details, please visit our Stettler Dodge website, or give us a call if you have any more questions or anything like that. But thanks for watching.